In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot CRM. First, go to HubSpot.com and click on Get Started Free. Now create your account using your email and complete the sign-up process. Once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here you can see options like Contacts, Companies, Deals, and Tasks on the left side. Now click on Contacts and select Create Contact. Enter the person's details like name, email, and phone number, then click Save. Next, go to Deals and click Create Deal. Add a deal name, value, and stage, then connect it with a contact. This helps you track your sales opportunities easily. After that, open Tasks and click Create Task. Add a title, set a due date, and save it so you can remember follow-ups and important work. Now go to Settings and connect your email account. This will help HubSpot automatically track your emails and conversations. That's it. Your HubSpot CRM is now set up and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.